She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Good morning vlog. Today is day 2 of our Disneyland trip, and it is a very rainy day here in Anaheim, California. Let me go and show you guys. It is a rainy one today. Anyways, we were kind of having a slow morning today. We were supposed to get up at around 6 and do early entry at 7:30 because we are staying on the resort property. But it is raining, so we decided to sleep in, have a chill morning. My mom's in the shower, and I was trying to get this Keurig to work, but it was drinking the water, but it's not brewing. I don't know what's going on there. I'm just trying to make hot chocolate. Well, that's unfortunate, but I think we're gonna head to the parks pretty soon here. I'll take you guys along with me, so let's go. Fit check. Disney ears. Disneyland jacket.
Okay.
Parachute pants. Nike's. Fit check. Yeah, so stylish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do a twirl. Do a twirl. I'm gonna have to bleep that out real quick. Well guys, we might have a change of plans. It's really raining outside. Should we just lounge?
Yeah.
Well, no Disneyland park card now. I think we might lounge in the hotel. I think. Until it clears up. But we're gonna get some water at the fitness center. And I guess just chill here. How the turns tabled.
On the turns up table.
We're gonna go. We are all ponchoed up. Let the rain fall on us. The plan is to ride Space Mountain. There it is, the good old monorail.
I think just do Tomorrowland, and then we take the monorail back.
Okay, we're just gonna do Tomorrowland. There? Oh. Ooh, look at. Walking over to Buzz Lightyear. It is pouring down rain. So much fun. Disneyland in the rain. She's having a great time. It's actually not even that crowded, which obviously makes sense. 5-minute wait for Buzz. I just stepped in a big puddle. Rainy day. It's great. Oh my god, the dog has a poncho. Yeah.
Keep it moving.
Okay, we're riding Star Tours now.
Keep it moving, one step in front of the other. That's just now.
What are you doing? We have been in line for 22 minutes, and we're gonna try to get literally hanging on to my ears for dear life. They did you dirt. Well, looks like no one. We are gonna go home because it looks good. Everything is soaked.
Buddy, Will, come on.
I'm gonna go
Hey vlog, here is an update. It's still raining. We made it back to the hotel and now we're gonna go eat at the Palm something. It's in this hotel. So we're gonna go eat and then we're gonna go eat and then that's it. And everything is soaked. So this is what I'm wearing. Whole jacket soaked on the sleeves. But mom's got a new fit on, matching. Let's go eat. Bye. Hey y'all. Literally had this because I needed to dry my shoes off. So right now we are gonna get ready to go work out at the gym, and then I think about around 4:30ish we're gonna head back to the park. But we'll see what happens, what the weather looks like. We're just kind of playing it by ear, and yeah, it's not raining currently, but yeah. Here is another update. We are now going to the parks. Here's the fit, same fit. Me and my mom just, me and my mom just completed a really good workout. I walked a mile and that was really good for my legs, but my legs feel like jello now. There is blue sky. I repeat, there is blue sky. All right.
We're not in a flood. We're not in a flood.
The vlog is
Rubs the lamp and places coins in the slot below shall receive the wisdom of the genie and have their future revealed.
I got it.
Oop. Did you put it in? Oh, I rub it?
Greetings, Sahib. You want to know the future because you are a seeker. Well, you know what they say. There's a seeker born every minute. So rub the lamp and let's boogie. Let's see. Oh, this is fascinating. You, my friend, will have your very next magic carpet service at Ahmed's Garage. That's right. You'll take advantage of Ahmed's amazing Lubomatic quick lube bay, just $11.95. Say the genie in the other lamp sent me, and Ahmed will tighten you in like nuts at no extra charge. That's Ahmed's Magic Carpet Garage, open Monday through Friday till 5, Saturdays till 5.
Ooh.
So there you are, my friend. You say it's a commercial, I say it's a prediction. Hey, it could be worse. Last month my sponsor was a fly-through falafel stand. So, salam and come again soon, my friend. No dealers, please.
That's hilarious. Would you wear?
No, I would not wear it. It's a little flashy.
Yeah. With your leggings?
Oh,
you could wear
no.
stitch leggings.
Absolutely not.
And this is nice.
I mean, it looks comfortable. Sorry, it looks comfortable. It looks
Like this with the leggings, that would be very cute.
I mean,
you could carry I
just
don't like the new ones. The new ones.
what's wrong with them?
Because the way they have this hood thing with their ears sticking out, I like the old fashioned ones.
Guys, the
Treehouse is open! Can we do Jungle Cruise right now? Just to be like in the Adventureland spirit.
Okay, we are gonna do Jungle Cruise now.
It says
Let's go! Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, taste test. We got this catch of the day. Here's a spoon. Catch of the day. It has mango, chamoy, I think some cucumbers and tahini on it with mango soft serve. Oh, it has some pineapple as well.
Is it good?
It's like a sweet and sour kind of thing. Delish.
What is that?
That was literally the best Dole Whip thing I've ever had. It was so good. We ate all of it. Okay, now we're gonna go on the treehouse. The new treehouse, actually. It's all the way over there.
I know.
All right, here is the new treehouse. It's really cool.
Okay. You ready?
Here we go. Adventureland treehouse. Oh my god, y'all. What the heck? I thought that thing was real for a second. It's Jane. Jane the ostrich. Thoughts so far? Love. She's really loving it.
Back to my childhood in the original Swiss Family treehouse that was here.
Just look at the view. It's so pretty outside today. What's in here? Oh, monkey. Hey.
Set off in search of honey.
What? What are we doing?
Somewhere there's
Before your eyes you see them multiply.
I don't know. This is a weird dream, don't you think? Like what? Okay, vlog, so we just got off of Winnie the Pooh, and now we are headed over to Indiana Jones. So, that's what we're doing. Where are we going, that way? Okay, let's go.
And it was in Stanford, California.
This is crazy.
And the 49ers crushed the Dolphins. And it was amazing.
So you went to the Super Bowl.
I went to the Super Bowl.
And you know how football works?
Yes.
Because I don't.
When I used to be a super duper sports fan, I used to watch games, I used to listen to sports radio.
You before your podcast, you would listen to sports radio?
And then I had children at the time.
Wow. Hey vlog. I'm gonna get some watermelon rings and then watch. Watermelon rings secured.
With like chamoy and tahini,
Chamoy and tahini is on here. Wait, let's focus.
right? Isn't that the chamoy?
Chamoy and tahini, watermelon rings, and now tiki room, I mean. This is my treat. This is my treat because I didn't want to go on the tiki room thingy. So, yeah. Guys, look at the beautiful castle tonight. Oh, it's a little blurry. Okay, my camera is not doing justice. Update. The showing was gonna be another 20 minutes, so we left and now we're gonna go back to the hotel, and there's the castle, and here are my watermelon rings.
Maybe Trader Sam's.
And maybe some Trader Sam's tonight. Alright, see you there. Looking for hidden Mickeys. There's gotta be one. Is that one?
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe on Tiana's dress somewhere? Okay.
How wet are my shoes? Oh Oh my gosh.
Okay, vlog.
They're still completely soaked.
I can blow dry them.
Are they gonna be dry to put in my suitcase?
Okay, I need to do an update. Let's do an update in the bathroom, shall we?
Hey, should we undo the bed so it's ready when we come back or no?
If you want. This angle. Okay. Okay, vlog. So, that's a little too good in here.
I have 25% charge. That's not too awful. We got a brand new Keurig.
Yeah, I gotta show the vlog.
So tomorrow,
Brand new Keurig and
is
hot
this what they
chocolate.
sent us?
No.
Oh, that was
just
it.
this hot chocolate stuff.
If
and cups.
we can make, I can make a hot tea and you can make a hot chocolate or a coffee in our to-go cups in the morning to take with us if it's cold to keep us warm.
Okay, vlog. So the plan right now is that we just made a reservation for.
We joined the walk-up list.
Sorry, we joined the walk-up list for Trader Sam's, and that's in about like 25, 30 minutes, or 25, 15 minutes.
It said 30 minutes.
I know, but it's already been like 10 minutes, right?
But
Did you get a text? Was that from them?
our table is ready.
Okay, guys, come along with us. Let's go. We're just sitting at the table. Oh,
I'm
making plans.
I'm putting everything in the list so that we can
Taste test. Cheers me. Get in the video. Cheers me.
stir it.
The poo-poo platter has arrived. Gyoza, string beans. What is this? Barbecue chicken? Spicy?
Sticky.
And then some mac and cheese. And then there's the view. What's up, vlog? Just finished the drink. Feeling a little dizzy, I'm not gonna lie. How are you feeling?
I feel fine.
Alright,
How do
she a
you feel?
heavyweight.
Good.
I'm cold. We have a fire over there.
No, smelling this bag is. Do you want to sit on the hearth in front of the fire?
Nah, I'll just sit here. Anyway, so we finished our drinks and our dinner. Now we're waiting for Tinkerbell to light up the side of the thingy-majiggy.
Yeah.
What do you call that? An edge.
Yeah, it does.
Look, just chilling. We got the water over there.
Yeah.
And then another Disney day tomorrow. Guys, oh my gosh. Liz, that streak. Oh my gosh, it's so out of focus. Should we wait again?
No, because it's going to be a half an hour.
Oh. Hey guys. We're walking back. We're walking back. Alright, now it's time to say goodbye to the vlog. It's time to go to bed. And yeah.
Are you swimming tonight?
Hi vlog. I'm going to eat these chamoy tahid watermelon rings and watch Bluey in the Discovery Den. So let's go. Chamoy watermelon rings and Bluey.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's